chairperson Mr. Allam Sunil Reddy sir, and our headmistress Shaurilu madam, our chief guest Mr. Narayana Reddy sir, who is also the correspondent of correspondent of St. Peter's Educational Institutes, and to all of the respected parents, teachers, and my dear students. I am B. Vishnuved of grade 10, and this is going to be my last day in this school. Today I am here to deliver my experience from the past 3 years in this school. So to deal with the high school, I have been here from only in the high school, and I can confidently exclaim that the high school staff is very highly skilled. They are here with 10 to 15 years of expertise in their subject. They have researched very detailedly in their subject, and I can confidently say that they are highly professionals in their subject. They not only aim to deliver the contextual message, but also aim to deliver the external message to build up the curiosity in the students. And going to the preparation of boards, every student in their life has board exams, which may be the final step of our school life. Talking about the board exams, our preparation was very sincere. Here it was about 10 to 12 hours of study, but in that study the teachers developed their question paper making. It was fit to match the standards of the students to the mental caliber, so that each and every student can score the desired marks. Moving to the primary and pre-primary, as I have not dealt with many of the sector in that area, I can still say that on my experience, they shape the young minds to maintain the basic numeracy and literacy. They help in the core development of the skills. They mostly engage in the helpful activities to coordinate. They also improve the play-based education. They support the core academic skills. And moving to the management staff and the caretaking staff, I can say that they are very kind and charming. They have a calm personality to deal with all types of parents. They can deal with the angry type of parent, they can deal with the calm parent, they can deal with the sweet parent. But to summarize that, we can say that they are very calm and cheering. They help the students or parents respectively. They can do their work efficiently. They are the prime of our schooling system. They can be considered as a foundation, because each and every student is developing from